Okay, so this is a Trapbar deadlift or a Hex bar. So the bar itself, Trapbar, Hex bar, same thing, American versus UK. Essentially it's the same. What you're going to do, we're going to work a deadlift on it. So to start with, load it up using bumper plates like I would on any other deadlift. The reason being then when I squat down and I do it, and I actually go to deadlift, I'm at the optimal height. If I end up using the standard weights, I'll be too low. So basically from here, well, the way these work, if I pull from the front, they're going to tip. If I pull from the back, they go forward. Be in the middle. Okay, the way I like to kind of like to think about this is when I'm in a deadlift position, like my hands are kind of like going to be in my pockets. So in the middle, I'm going to go chest tall, shoulders back and down, draw my bum low, and I'm just going to push up. By the end to the top, and back. Chest, squeeze, and come back. So this is a Hex bar deadlift. Now when we do this, it's really important that you are driving through the floor, trying to push your heels through it, and that you don't arch with your back. So I don't want to back it up. That's what we want to avoid, all right? From here, chest, drive, squeeze. You can also use the deadlift tip from before. If you want to type into the catalog and you want to search up slack tip, it will teach you more information about taking the slack out. But in the meantime, this is it. Extra tip, type in slack.